6.5 earthquake in Fiji just now. 6.5 earthquake in Fiji just now. Niue Island, Fiji. 6.5 earthquake. Doesn't say anything about a tsunami, but that is a substantial number there, 6.5. West of Australia. As we know, that's close to New Zealand. There's the island of Fiji. Tonga has had a 5.9 not too long ago. A lot of little islands out there, you know. As you see, Tonga's a little further out. Japan, 4.2. This says 70 earthquakes in the last 22 hours. 5.2 New Guinea. 4.2 Japan, as I mentioned. 2.7 in Puerto Rico. 4.4 in Iran. 5.9 in Iran. 5.0 in the Philippines. 4.9 in Alaska. Let me click on that one. Alright. 4.9 in Alaska. Yes, right off the coast of Alaska. Down there in Alaska. Up there in Alaska. 4.5 in Chile. 4.8. 5.0 the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. As I said, the last 22 hours, 70 earthquakes.